How can a teenager become a millionaire before 30? It sounds impossible, but it's not. If you're a teenager or in your early 20s, listen, you can be the first millionaire in your family. Even if your parents don't understand online money yet, you can still build wealth. No excuses. Today, I'll break down the 5 millionaire habits teenagers can start right now. And the best part, you don't need to be rich to begin. Don't skip a single part because each habit builds on the last. Habit 1. Millionaire mindset. Becoming a millionaire as a teenager starts in your head. If you believe you're too young, you've already lost. Millionaires think differently. They see opportunities where others see problems. So set goals, believe you can do it, and start thinking like a millionaire teen. Before we continue, drop a comment so YouTube pushes this video out to more teens who need this. Habit 2. Freeze your expenses. The reason most people never become millionaires is simple: bad money habits. If what you're spending on doesn't make you more money, cut it. If you're living with your parents, invest at least 50% of your income. If you've moved out, aim for 20%. Here's the rule: every time your income grows, increase your investment percentage. Even saving just $20 a week instead of wasting it adds up to over $1,000 a year. That's money teenage millionaires invest, not waste. Habit 3. Learn high-income skills. Jobs alone won't make you rich. Teenage millionaires build wealth by mastering high-income skills: sales, coding, digital marketing, or AI skills. You can start learning for free with YouTube, Udemy, or free resources online. If you want to know which AI skills pay the most right now, watch this video where I break it all down. Habit 4. Sell something. The fastest way to get rich young isn't saving, it's selling. Sell services, start freelancing, or flip trending products. Here's a millionaire teen hack. After every job, ask your client, "Do you know 3 people who may need my services?" That's how you multiply opportunities without spending money. Habit 5. Multiply and automate. Once you start making money, don't just sit on it, multiply it. Invest in yourself first. Books, mentors, courses. The more you know, the more you grow. Then automate your income with digital products that pay while you sleep. That's how teenage millionaires scale their wealth. So there you go, 5 millionaire habits teenagers can start today. If you watch this far, drop a comment with the habit you'll start first. At the end of the day, becoming a millionaire before 30 isn't about luck. It's about habits. Start now, and you can join the next generation of teenage millionaires.